Dinner time.
What time is it?
Dinner time!
Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Before we get started tonight, I just want to give a huge thank you to everyone who liked and subscribed to our channel and our videos. All the feedback and encouragement has meant the world to me. Even though we are under quarantine, you still have those days. Sometimes you feel like you have all the time on your hands, and sometimes you feel like you have no time on your hands. Especially to the people who are still working, trying to work from home, doing it with kids. We all know it's nearly impossible. So this is one of my favorite easy go-to recipes. It's a staple in our home, and it's so simple and so delicious. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna start off with Trader Joe's pizza crust. If you don't have a Trader Joe's, that's okay. Just go to your local grocery store. Grant's gonna make an appearance. Come here. Hi. Pizza. Are we gonna eat pizza? Okay. This is one of Grant's favorite meals as well. So what we're making barbecue chicken pizza, and all it is your pizza crust, mozzarella cheese, shredded chicken. Pro tip, shred your chicken in the KitchenAid. It is the easiest, simplest thing, and it saves so much time. We're doing your barbecue sauce of choice. Roasted garlic, I just roasted my garlic. How you do that is preheat the oven to 400 degrees, cut the top of the garlic off, drizzle it with olive oil and salt, roast it for, since I have a small one, I did about 15 minutes. And then red onion and cilantro to go on top. So all you're gonna do is you're just gonna build your pizza. You can really get creative, and this is a great thing to do with the kids if you wanna get them involved. Super simple, you guys. So simple. I'm gonna take my barbecue sauce. I don't really do any measurements with this because I just kind of go by what looks right. Spread it out fairly evenly and top it with chicken. And next, since I roasted my garlic, it's right here and ready to go. I'm gonna top it with cheese, quarter of an onion. Like I said in all my other videos, I'm not a huge onion fan, so I don't use a lot of onion, but I do love these flavors of a red onion with barbecue chicken pizza. I'm gonna place it directly on the oven rack. So our pizza's done and out of the oven. So what we're gonna do now is just thinly slice some cilantro. I serve this at parties because it's so easy to make in really big batches, and it is so tasty. It's always a hit. I hope you guys enjoy.